Hello everyone, my name is Fiza and I'm an instructor at AI Sciences. Imagine you're working for an e-commerce company and the marketing team wants to understand customer purchase behavior to optimize their promotion strategies and increase sales. Now, the e-commerce company has hired Adam as a data analyst to perform data analysis. Now, Adam believes that divide and conquer is the best approach to go with. So, he'll divide this data analysis problem into 7 steps. Step 1 is data collection. Now first, Adam will have to gather data on customer transactions, including information like what is their age, their gender, and the location. Then, he needs to know about their purchase history, what they bought, when they made a purchase, and how much they bought. And then he will keenly observe the website interactions, like the pages the viewers visited, how much time they spent on the page, and how many clicks were made. Step 2. Clean data. Clean the data to remove any inconsistencies or errors. This could involve handling missing values, correcting typos, or even removing duplicate entries. Step 3. Explore the data. Adam will create histograms to understand the distribution of purchase amounts. He can also use scatter plots to analyze the correlation between age and the spending they made. Step 4. Customer segmentation. Group customers will be based on similarities like the high spenders, frequent shoppers, or those who only make purchases during promotions or discounts. Step 5. Insights. Extract actionable insights from the analysis. For instance, Adam will discover that customers in a specific age group respond well to certain promotions. He can also find out those customers who engage with certain product categories tend to spend more. Step 6. Decision making. Now, Adam will provide the marketing team with data-driven recommendations to optimize promotional campaigns, target specific customer segments, and enhance the overall customer experience. And last, step 7 is to monitor and iterate. Continuously monitor the impact of implemented strategies and iterate based on new data. This will make sure that the company, your e-commerce company, adapts to changing customer behavior and market trends. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the link in the description that will help you in mastering this domain.